My Disney Stars and Friends 1. Lesson 1. Vocabulary. Lesson 2. Grammar. Hello, what is your name? My name is. How old are you? I'm years old. Where are you from? I'm from Vietnam. Goodbye. Let's practice. Hello, my name is. My name is. I'm years old. I'm years old. I'm from Vietnam. I'm from Vietnam. Goodbye.